Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another hair video. Today we're working with Hermosa hair. They sent me over their 5x5 closure wig. This is what it looked like. I did go in and co-wash the hair, so this was the natural wave of the hair. Like I said, it is a 5x5 closure. I love 5x5s. It came with 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back. Before we get to the installation, y'all know I love to style whatever I could do on the mannequin head. I want to do it. So what you see me doing here, I'm just parting out the closure section to leave it for later. Y'all, I picked up this heat protectant spray from the hair store. It is the bomb.com. Like, usually when I'm straightening hair or anything, it gets a little frizzy. This decreased the frizz. I still got a little bit of frizz, but this helped a lot. And I just worked that in there. I'm using the chase method, and I'm just taking my Remington flat iron. I'll have that linked below in the description box to just straighten the hair. Whenever I'm straightening my hair, I like to go in sections. So I'm just working my way up from the back to the front of the unit. Now, when I get to the closure part of the wig, I like to part like a thin layer to cover the tracks at the top. And I'm using my hot comb, and I also have that link below as well. I got it from Amazon. And I just use my hot comb and my wax stick to lay that down. Y'all, my mannequin head would not cooperate. That thing was wobbly. I don't know what it is. It was not staying straight, but we move. So I just part my closure in sections and work section by section by using the wax stick and the hot comb, and then I'll just flat iron the rest of the hair out. So this is what the unit looked like after I got done straightening it, but I forgot that I did not pluck the unit. I'm really practicing plucking as much as possible with my units. So I did go in, and my method of plucking is just to part from some of the hair forward and pluck going down. This just worked better for me instead of having all the hair back and plucking, because sometimes I over pluck. So this helps me to see exactly what I am doing. And my method, I try not to pluck in the same area more than twice. So as I'm doing it, I'm combing out the hair and it gets thinner and thinner, and then I'll part another layer of that and pluck again until I feel like it looked like what I want it to look like. Y'all, so let's get to the installation. So of course, I'm just cleaning my forehead of any residue of anything that may be on my face. Now for this unit, I did not go in and bleach it. I did not tint it or anything. Y'all, I'm running low on my foundation, and like I said in previous videos, I do not like using my good stuff to tint my lace anymore. So I'm just gonna use this tint spray. Y'all see that towards the end of the video. So since it's a closure, you really don't need any type of glue, but I just wanted the extra security. So I went in with my Eben spray, the black can. Y'all know I love this thing. And I just applied 1 layer to the unit and just got my rat tail comb to push it into my skin. While I was doing that, I forgot that the closures come with like the ends very thick. To get your closure to lay as flat as possible, go ahead and cut that off. And it just gives your closure like a seamless lay. And then of course, I'm gonna tie it down, trying to get it to melt as much as possible into my skin. And then we're gonna cut that lace off. So usually when I cut my lace off, parts of it lift and part of it has this white residue. I like to go in with my olive oil wig grip spray. I like to use this spray specifically for this step to help melt the lace even more into my skin. So as that is melting into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my center part going. Since I already, flat ironed the hair and everything, I'm just going in and brush it out. As you can see, the lace still look a little bit white, so I'm taking my Eben spray and I'm just spraying that in the party area. Now, as you can see, some of the tint got on the hair itself. So I don't think I showed it in the video, but I did go with my black mascara in the end just to clean up the parts where the tint spray touched the black part of the hair. And I'm also putting that in front of the unit as well, just to give it that seamless look, like lace wear, like you can't even see that. Okay, now it's time for baby hair. I really wasn't gonna do baby hair. I was gonna go for a simple look, but I was like, we could go with some thin baby hair. That's fine. So I'm parting out the baby hair that I want, and I like the look where you have space between the baby hair and the rest of the hair. So I'm going in once more just to pluck the unit a little bit more, to let it, you know, really customize it to my liking. And then I'm going to go in with some tint spray again on the lace to get rid of that white look. I'm going to do some baby hair, and I'm going to catch y'all at the end of this video. So guys, this is a finished look of the hair. After I straightened it, I wasn't gonna do any baby hair, but then I decided to go in and put some baby hair in there. Maybe next time I'll just do like no baby hair, but this definitely could have gone for like a no baby hair look. It is a 5x5 closure, so I went in and just added some simple baby hairs. I don't know if I'm really feeling them, but they're all right for what I need them to do right now. But it's straightened really well. The color, like, it's giving black, jet black. I feel like a lot of times you get wig and it looks very much like 1B, but to me this is very dark. I know some girls love to have that jet black look. I honestly, for this fresh out the box, it looks amazing. So all in all, I will give this hair probably like a 8.5 out of 10. Nothing really, I don't know why. Maybe the fullness. I personally like my hair a little bit thicker, so maybe that's the only reason I don't give it a 10, but it is very much giving. So thank you to Hermosa Hair for sponsoring today's video. We love our day one sponsor. All the specs to the hair will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one.